Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad question. Let's start. Two boxes A and B contain some erasers. If 52 erasers are transferred from box A to box B, both boxes will have the same number of erasers. If 52 erasers are transferred from box B to box A will have 3 times as many erasers as box B. How many erasers are there in each box? Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. We have to find it how many erasers are there in each box. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's assume that box A equals to X erasers, box B equals to Y erasers, because we don't know the value of erasers. Case 1. 52 erasers transferred from A to B. Box A equals to X minus 52 because they transferred 52 erasers from A to B. Box B equals to Y plus 52 erasers. Both boxes have same number of erasers after the transfer. So X minus 52 equals to Y plus 52. X equals to Y plus 52 plus 52. X equals to Y plus 104. In case 2, they given that 52 erasers transferred from B to A. Box A equals to X plus 52 because it transferred B to A. Box B equals to Y minus 52 because it reduced in box. Since box A has 3 times as many erasers as box B after the transfer. So, X plus 52 equals to 3 of Y minus 52. We have to solve this equation. X plus 52 equals to 3Y minus 52. 3s are 156. Substitute X equals to Y plus 104 in above equation. Y plus 104 plus 52 equals to 3Y minus 156. Y plus 156 equals to 3y minus 156. 3y minus y equals to 2y and 156 plus 156 equals to 312. Y equals to 312 divided by 2. 2 1 are 2. 2 156 are 312. Now we came to know the value of y equals to 156. Substitute y equals to 156 in X equals to Y plus 104. X equals to 156 plus 104. X equals to 260. Now we came to know the how many erasers in each box. Box A equals to 260 erasers. Box B equals to 156 erasers. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this Math Olympiad question. If you have any doubts regarding this question, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.